Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this amazing makeup look that I did using the new limited edition by Sigma Beauty, and this is the holiday gift set. Oh my god, they are so cute, and it's really good to give to someone special or even yourself. So in this video I'm gonna use the Everlasthing Eyes Trio. This is so good. Here I have my favorite eyeshadow base of all the time, and this is Persuade. As you can see, this eyeshadow base is so good. Also, we got the eyeliner. This is so easy to create the eyeliner shape, and also to darken the outer corner of your eyes. Is waterproof, and I really love the formula of this eyeliner. And also one of my favorite mascara. This is Sinuosity Lash Mascara. I really love it because grow your lashes and also add a lot of volume. So to begin this tutorial, I'm gonna use first the eyeshadow base Persuade by Sigma, and I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid, a little bit in the lower lash line as well. So I'm gonna first apply the eyelids, and next I'm gonna just blend using the tip of my fingers. And next I'm gonna use the Longboard eyeliner pencil. This is in the shade Wicked, the blackest black, and yes, as you can see, it's a very dark black eyeliner. I really love it. Also is waterproof, so good. This eyeliner kind of dry, so if we're going to create a smudge effect, you just apply your eyeliner, and fast as ever you can just blend it using a small brush, or even using a Q-tip or the tip of your fingers. Also, I want to mention for you guys, all the products by Sigma Beauty are cruelty-free and vegan. And also, all the brushes by Sigma Beauty are 2 years warranty. So basically, I'm applying the eyeliner in the outer corner of my eyes and a little bit in the lower lash line. And I'm gonna smudge it out using a small brush. The price of this set that I'm using is $30, but there's many different options for you to choose, and they're all amazing. So I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested to see. And I really recommend for you to try this out, especially the holiday gift sets, because they are amazing. So for the next step, I'm gonna use the Beauty Birds palette, and I'm gonna use the lightest color of the palette in my crease just to create a little bit of dimension. And this will also help me to blend the next eyeshadows that I'm gonna layer right on top. And all the brushes that I'm gonna use in this video, I'm gonna list down below for you guys in the description box. The next step is to use a smaller blending brush. This is a new launch by Sigma Beauty as well, the E27. No, E27, I'm sorry. And I'm gonna apply this warm brown eyeshadow to smooth the edges of this black eyeliner that, as you can see, is very pigmented, so I don't have to use any black eyeshadow right on top to set it. It is so beautiful already and very dark. So I'm gonna use just the brown to smudge the edges, and also smudge the edges of the lower lash line to create this two-dimensional effect. And as you can see, it's very beautiful, this makeup look, that I can stop here already because this eyeshadow base dries matte and it looks stunning, lasts longer. But in today's video, as I want to create something very glam for these holiday vibes, I'm gonna dip into this gold from the palette, and this is a amazing color. So here in this eyeshadow base, I can layer any eyeshadow that I want. So I'm gonna apply this gold eyeshadow to highlight, and in the tear duct area to highlight a little more, I'm gonna use the lightest gold shade from the palette as well. And I really like it because it's not glittery, but just a little bit of something. Next, for this look, I'm gonna apply my fake lashes, of course, and I'm gonna stick my natural lashes into the fake ones using this amazing mascara. This is very black and waterproof, what I love so much. So I'm gonna use it to stick my falsies into my natural ones. Little secret, this mascara has been my favorite from a long time already. And now let's move on to my lips. I'm gonna use the lip pencil by Sigma Beauty, and this is the shade Carnation. And now I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick Behold by Sigma Beauty. I really love the formula of this liquid lipstick because it's very hydrating and feels so good in the lips. And also this shade is unique, is so beautiful, and gives me a little bit of color and keep all the makeup look light at the same time. So in the center, to give me a little bit of color, I'm gonna add also the color Venom, and this is stunning. So I'm gonna mix these two colors together to get the perfect end result in the effect that I want. And this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. Really hope that you will like it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, like this video if you did, and I see you later in the next videos. Bye, take care, and happy holidays.